Hi, this is Joe from PowerAttorneyForm.com, and today we're going to go over the four main Ohio power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just a legal document that allows you to select any one of your choosing to handle your financial or medical decision making on your behalf. So, to get started, on the left side of the screen, we're going to do the Ohio Durable Power of Attorney form, which allows someone to act on another's behalf for all financial powers legal in the state of Ohio. Now, the reason why this form is the most popular in the United States is because it's the only financial power of attorney form that stays valid if the principal should become incapacitated or not able to think for themselves. So what that really means is, say you select somebody to act for you for your financials, have them paying your bills, your banking transactions, or all those different financial obligations. And say something should happen to you, like with all our seniors right now, they're suffering from things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these mind-altering conditions that affect their ability to handle their everyday financial obligations. This form is the only one that stays valid, so if something like that should happen, the person you select can still act for you. Going to the right, we have the medical power of attorney form. Now this form sounds exactly how it is. It's just it allows you to select somebody to handle all your health care matters. So if, say, you become incapacitated, you are able to select, this will allow you to select somebody so that if you do become incapacitated, to handle your medical treatment decisions, facility decisions, anything healthcare related. So oftentimes we'll see that with our website is that people will download the medical and durable so that they have both areas covered. Going to the right, we have the Ohio General Power of Attorney form. Now this form is just like the durable. It's exactly like it, except that it becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated. So if, say you have businesses, we see a lot of business owners that will get this form because they want their accountant to have all the financial power, but if something should happen to them, they don't exactly want that person to still have all that financial power on their behalf. So the general, exactly like the durable, except becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated. Last but not least, we got the Ohio Power of Attorney form. Now, this is the only form that I use personally. I use it every year because it allows you to select somebody to just handle very specific financial powers, whether it's handle your taxes like I do with my accountant, or if you just want somebody to pick up your mail for you, pick up a car for you, any number of these things. You just don't want someone to have the broad financial powers over your assets and bank accounts. You just want them to have very specific powers. Then this form is great for you. Also, this form becomes void like the general if something should happen to you, like you become incapacitated or not able to think for yourself. So that's a summary of the four forms. Make sure that if you get any one of these, they need to be notarized. If you don't know what a notary is, all you need to do is go to your branch bank, and they always have a notary on staff that will do it for free if you have an account. If you don't have an account, they usually charge a small fee like $8 to $10. But that's it. That's the Ohio Power of Attorney forms.